What's going on, everyone? This is Matt with Bill from Abacore Binzel. We're talking seam tracking with the collaborative spool welding robot. Bill, why is seam tracking so important to the SWR?
Matt, it's really important because of the difference in variations that we find with pipe. Pipe not being round creates an issue when we do the fit up, and trying to keep the torch in the seam on the path that we've selected for it is really crucial to getting a sound weld.
One particular laser seam tracking solution, the TH6, offered through us and ScanSonic, really helps to combat all that from an X and Y and Z axis. Tell me how it works.
The tracking system on the TH6 by ScanSonic is incredible. There are a lot of laser trackers out there that maybe they'll track one part of it, but not all of it. So this one does everything. We don't have to pre-program it. We can just set it up, we can turn it on, we can start it, and it's going to measure and track in all axes. So we can keep our height correct, we can keep it in the path side to side. So X, Y, and Z, everything's there, all in one package.
If you want to see the TH6 with the collaborative spool welding robot, contact your local Abacore Binzel rep or visit us at binzel-abacore.com. This is Matt with Bill. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.